Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. Today we're going to go over how to do a 3D warp effects in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now I haven't used this effect personally, but I'm planning to use it in the future, possibly in some of my YouTube videos as well. So this is a really cool this is a really cool effects, and I'm going to show you today. I've been meaning to do this for some time, but it's a really cool effect. Let's jump straight into Adobe Premiere Pro, show you how to do it. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. My name is Jack.F. I'm a freelance videographer, photographer and video editor, producing weekly content and teaching you how to get better at video editing and take your videography to the next level and your video editing. If that's something you're interested in, check out some of my other videos. And if you want to support the creation of future content, go buy me a copy, link in the description. So, jump straight into this. So I have me, my sexy face on here. So here we go. All you got to do is come up to editing in the top bar, or click the little arrow here and come down to where it says effects. Now effects is going to be key. All we're going to search is 3D, and as we see here we've got the basic 3D. We're going to drag that onto our clip, and now that doesn't really do anything, but what we want to do is select our clip and then come up to effect controls, and we see here we have the actual clip itself. We actually have the effect on the clip, I mean. So the ones we want to pay attention to is swivel and tilt back and forth like that, and distance from image like that, but I'm not really a fan of that, so I'm just going to stick to the first two. And now you can keyframe this in your work so it kind of moves a little bit, but you also have spectacle highlight. So what that's going to do, that's going to have this artificial light on it, and obviously when you move it, it's gonna move with the image, but I'm not personally a fan of that. I think it's a little bit ugly, but you can do that if you want. So basically what we're going to do in order to keyframe this is going to be the keyframing part. So what we're going to do, we're going to come select our clip, so we're going to hit the little stopwatch for these, scale and position, because we're going to be messing around with them. And we're also going to click swivel and tilt. You can hit distance to image if you want to do that, but I'm not going to personally use it. I think it's a little bit ugly, as I said. But it's just the ticket if you want to use it. So basically we're going to come to the start of our clip, have the little selector on, and then we're going to do some little 3D moving. So we'll have it a bit off like that, and then maybe just a bit of a tilt like that, and then what we're going to bring it in. So I want the focal point to be me and the clip, me editing the clip, so about here. And then we can have a slow little moving animation, but we've got the little keyframes here. As you see, we've got keyframes here, and then we're going to come to the end of the clip, and then I want me to kind of come round a little bit like that. For example, say we're going to do a bit of extreme one, and then I can come up like that. This is kind of extreme. I'm just going to show you how it's done. So you can see here, I am actually moving like a 3D little moving aspect. So we've zoomed in, but you're probably like, Jack, what about this? You can zoom in if you want, but this might be the perfect framing for you. So what we're going to do, we're going to come back to projects, and then we're going to hit new item. We're going to come up to color map, and then what we're going to do here is keep it as the same. For me it's 1920 by 1080, 60 FPS and square pixels. We're going to hit OK, and then what we're going to do here, we're going to hit this little eyedropper, right? And then we're going to select the little grey area that's on Premiere Pro. So let's go here, right? Hit OK, and then name it whatever. I'm just going to leave this colour map, and then drag it onto your timeline. Drag your little clip above it, and then as you see there, we have a little background. Where's the blackness gone? It's gone. We've gotten rid of the void. So that's a quick little way that you can and make sure you drag it out, obviously, so you don't affect the rest of your clip. And there you go. If you've got a nice little Jack Fernley moving around like that, you can get very creative with this. And then also you can also add that little artificial light on. I don't personally like it. I don't think it's the best. Don't know why I created a keyframe. Hit the little tick. There you go. And then as the little clip moves, the actual artificial light was going to move with it, but I'm not a personal fan of it. I don't like it. Just my personal preference. But that's just been a quick little video, guys, on how to do the basic 3D animation movement inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. Now if you like what you see here, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to be notified for more videos. And if you want to support the creation of future content, go buy me a coffee, link in the description. And apart from that, guys, I'll see you on the next video.